Hello everyone, we ready today for the quiz. So welcome to the SkillDojo pilot quiz. I hope you are excited and you can use the chat section to tell how much excited you are today. Because I'm really excited because I have never done this before. I will be hosting quiz for you, and this quiz is going to be amazing, and this quiz is something very new because at the end of the quiz you're going to win a reward from our end, a goodie from our end, and also a certificate. So I can, if you can just comment down below, or if you can just write it in the chat if you're excited, yes or no, because this quiz is our first pilot quiz for Skill Dojo. So I hope you're all excited, and I am going to show you a screen. So let me tell you the rules of the quiz, how the quiz is going to start, and what you need to do. So I am going to give you a number, and that number you have to put it on kahoot.it. So I repeat, kahoot.it. You have to put it in your browser. You can do it with your phone. You can put it in another tab, and then the questions will be visible on the screen. The questions will be visible on this screen. So this YouTube screen is where your questions will be visible, and kahoot.it will be used for getting the kahoot.it will be used for your options. So you would see a color block of options on the screen, and you have to choose them through your phone screen or either from your another device. So I will give you some time, some buffer time. We have already written it. I hope you know how Kahoot works. So let's start with. I'll be sharing the Kahoot pin in a minute. So for people who have not played a Kahoot before, I'll just tell you to just log into kahoot.it. Yes, I'm going to share the pin. Okay. So I'll share my screen, and the pin will be visible. You have to confirm if the pin is visible, yes or no. The pin is 414250. I'm going to put the pin in the chat. Okay. Four players have joined in. I am going to sync with the number of users over people who are watching right now. So all you need to do is just put 4142540, and you have to join the Kahoot quiz. So it's general programming quiz. And I would request you to join from your name. Use your name. Either use your first name or either use your complete name, because it will be easy for us to know the participants, and it will be easy for us to declare the winners for the same. Okay, there are more and more people over here than I guess the current viewers. So 18 people in now. Okay, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. 22 people in. I guess this is 25 people in. 25 people in the game right now. 26, 27. Okay, it's increasing. The competition is increasing second by second. PJ, I would request you to join from your first name. Try using your first name. or use your complete name. And yes, you can call everyone you know, because quiz is something which is very fun. This is a trivia quiz, and I hope 27 people. Kahoot.it is where you have to play it from. So you have to go to kahoot.it. Then you have to put the number 4142540. 29 people in the game right now. See, you have to join it, guys. It's something you have to just join it right now. And if you're not able to, if you're not watching the screen, it will be tough for me. It will be tough for you actually, because you won't be able to see the questions. Today's prize is pretty interesting. It's a gaming mouse. So I guess if you guys game, because we are actually playing a game. $35 people in the game. Should we wait for 50? Ace, that's a cool. Ace, is that your name? So I'm repeating again and again. You should use your first name, because if you use your first name, that's why that is how we will distribute the prizes. So you have to use your legitimate name in this. 35 people. So I'm going to start at the 10th minute. 36 people and counting. You can share it with people. You can share it with people you know, who are good at programming. Who you can share it with people you know, who can start and do things. So there are people still joining in. Priyanshu, what to say? 38 people. 39. Will there be only one winner of the quiz? The quizzes are happening daily. The quizzes are happening daily. So it's the first day of the quiz. It's the pilot episode. So if you know what pilot means, so it's the pilot episode of the quiz. So we are just testing that out, how it's going to work. So I hope you win this one, Priya. So you'll be like, okay, boss, will there be one winner? Yes, you should be that one winner. 41. 8 minutes. 42. Come on, man. This is going to be fun. This is going to be fun. So we are waiting for 50 people to join in, and let's do it. So the quizzes are going to happen daily, on a daily basis. So we are going to meet daily. You're going to see my face very often. So get used to it. 42. There is a audio behind it. If you want, guys, if you want that audio to be played, you can, like, I'm all ears to play that audio for you. So some game music. This is developers casino, basically. So welcome to the developers casino, and welcome to the first episode. 42. 9 minutes. 1 minute left to join in. 1 minute to go. One minute to go. Forever who wants to join in, we have only 1 minute left to join the complete game. It's 30 seconds now. 30 seconds to go. $30 seconds to go. 41 people right now in the room. So make sure you're ready. Make sure you know, like, make sure you set up everything. Let's do it. 10 seconds to go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's start. Oh, it has its own timer. Okay. So let me repeat the question. For which type of error does the interpreter halts and reports the error but does not execute the program? For which type of error does the interpreter halts and reports the error but does not execute the program? Option A, the red option, semantic error, syntax error, runtime error, all type of errors. Time's up. Time's up. Going on to the next part of it, we have our leaderboard over here, and we have Rohit Sinha at the first number, Shamuk at second, and Shrisha at third. Should we move on to the next question? Moving on to the next question. What is the output of the following program? We lost the indentation over here, but I know you're smart enough to know what kind of indentation it is. $10 left. X is equals to 8, Y is equals to 2. Print X /y. So I'm just going to tell you the characters. I'm not going to use any technical term in this. Okay, we have Shamuk at first, Shrisha at second, and Tushar has just joined the top three. Let's move on to the next question. What will be the output of the following statement? X is equals to true, Y is equals to false, print X and Y. $36 answers till now. Okay, Shamuk has got his place at first, Shrisha again at second, and now we have Lakshmi in the leaderboard. It's gonna be fun, Shamuk. X is equals to 20, Y is equals to 40, Z is equals to Y if Y is greater than X, else X, print Z. So let me explain you this question. X is equals to Y, Y is equals to 40, Z is equals to Y. If the indentation has been on, it is not looking right. We are going to use media in the next set of quiz. So don't worry about it. For today, just bear with this. Moving on to the next question. Next question. Okay, let's see. Okay, Shamuk has his throne till now, and Shirisha has also had the throne. Guys, come on, hurry up, and you have to remove them from their places. Come on, let's do it. $10 left. Amazing. Amazing. Shamuk is really on roll over here. Which of the following question is used by the interpreter to identify code blocks? Which of the following is used by the interpreter to identify code blocks? Option A, braces. Option B, indentation. Option 3, commas. Option 4, expressions. Amazing. So you can see there are 16 people who went right through this. This was a very basic question. Moving on to the next question, we have Shamuk again, Srisha again, and Lakshmi again on the top 3 places. Jia has just become one of the highest climber in this. Print bracket list range bracket 0 comma 5 bracket bracket bracket. What is it is going to print? List range bracket of 5 0 1 2 3 4 list bracket 0 1 2 3 4 or square brackets 0 1 2 3 4. Four options. 3 2 1. Amazing. Sudhanshu has just moved on up the ladder, and Sudhanshu, now moving on to the next part. Srisha is also on a streak over here. Moving on to the next question. This is a fun question. This is a fun question. Give an example of DC motor. Is it Batmobile? Is it just a motor? You don't know. Nobody voted for it. It was so easy to do it. So you just thought that it is going to be all programming, as we are big fan of memes and very bad puns. What is happening right now? Party हो रही है? Endless quiz? Fun quiz? और रात हो रही है? So this is for very smart people out there. There is a lag in the game. Okay, so these questions doesn't contain that much value. People have voted for endless quiz. Shanmukh is actually, he's like, somebody is going to get my throne. He's not getting too much time for this. Which of the following is used to initialize multiple variable with common values? X is equals to Y. Amazing, amazing. So we have very smart people today in the quiz. I hope there was no lag in this. So we have Sanyam, who has just jumped on the ladder. This is gonna go super fast. What is a bug in developer lens? A mistake, a feature, I don't know, a disaster. It's a fun question. 20 seconds to it. What is a bug? What generally developers give in terms of a bug? Yes, 9 people who follow developer memes. Thank you so much. It's still lagging. It will be tough for me to go down, and so after this, the const feature can be applied to option A, an identifier, option B, an array, option C, an array argument, option D, all of the above. The const feature can be applied to an identifier, an array argument, all of the above. I hope you're getting ample amount of time for this. From the next session, we are going to increase the time, as you're saying that there is such lag in terms of this. Okay, Shanmukh is good. So there is no one who's gonna replace Shanmukh from his throne. What are the tools to make filters / lenses? Snap's Lens Studio, Adobe XD, Corel Draw, Figma. So now you must be wondering, why did I ask this question? So after After this, I would request you to go through this. You can scan this from your phone. I'm not saying right now I'm going to open this at the end, and you're going to scan this and you're going to know why this question is here. We have something very exciting for you. So you're going to love that. Shanmugh at the first place again, Shisha at second again, Lakshmi at third. So it's going to be tough one between these three, especially between Shrisha and Shanmugh, only 2 points. Printf, %C, comma, 100, bracket close. So I'm not going to tell you any technical terms because you need to get that, because if I use something very technical and it just gives out the hint. So I'm not going to tell you that. So I'm going to try to. And these are super easy questions. Okay, very close. Shrisha and Shanmugh, it's very close. Output displayed by the print function will add the invisible character at the end of the line by default. Output displayed by the print function will add the invisible character at the end of the line by default. /t/n/s/r. We are going to increase the time after this. Don't worry about it. Not in sync. It's not in sync. Okay. So if there is a video lag, let's find out if there is a video lag. So the moment I'm gonna say a word, I'm gonna say a set of numbers. Just type down those numbers in the comment section and let us see how much lag we are getting in terms of. Okay, I'm gonna say a number. Just type down the same number. 3, 5, 1. Type it down. There is almost 1 minute lag in this. So there is almost 1 minute lag in this, and I can understand that you're not able to turn down the questions. So yes, it's more than 40 seconds. It's more than 45 seconds actually. So what we'll do, from the next quiz, what we'll do, see, people answers are still coming in. So we have a 1 minute lag in this. So what we'll do, we'll put the questions on, we'll give more time for the questions in the next session. So join in today and we're going to give you some more time for the question. Last question. It was all guesswork. Last question of the second. Did you enjoy the quiz and will come again? There is too less time for it. One person was like, yay. 4% was like, nay. So what we'll do, we'll move on to the next, we got your point, guys. We got your point. And I understood. So we are going to give you 1 minute's time and then we are going to start this. So these questions were something my last question already ran out of time. Okay. Siam 1. Oh, nay. Oh, it's third. Third one is Siam, and first one is, I guess there is no guessing. Shanmugh, you are the winner, and Shrisha is on runners-up position, and on third we have Siam Khurana, and I guess the runner-ups were, if I was right, it was. Thank you so much. So thank you so much. Yes, there are prizes. Yes, there are prizes. If you could just go see the post on LinkedIn, you're going to win a HP gaming mouse. So, Shanmukh, you have to get in touch with me. We are going to get in touch with you. So, don't worry about that. And thank you guys for joining in. And we are going to have the session tomorrow. I thank you so much for telling us the problems you faced in this set of quiz. So, see, this was a pilot. The concept of it, how do you even win? It was all lag. Uh, okay, so it's the quiz is going to happen tomorrow, and tomorrow we have one more. Tomorrow we have a greater, like we have also a set of reward, so you're going to enjoy that. So it's going to happen every day, guys. Don't worry about it. Just brush up your programming skills. That's it. Just brush up your programming skills, and we're going to make sure that every code we so I got some point out of this. If you think these are legit points, do tell me in the chat section. So code, we are going to put it as media over Kahoot. We are going to give around 1 minute to solve a question, a complete 1 minute to solve the question. If it's super easy question, because there is a lag, which we could for real, we could see that there was a big amount of lag in this. So we are going to work on these. So I thank you so much for coming, since there were no questions on the screen. So people are writing very funny chats there. So thank you so much for your review. So this was a pilot, and tomorrow is the episode 1. So you won something, you learned something in the pilot, and let's go with let's go down. Let's start with the episode 1. Let's see how to register for upcoming quizzes. Click on the either subscribe button. If it's here or if it's here, just click on the subscribe button, and you'll know that we are live. And you can check out our LinkedIn pages. We are already there. We are already there. And yeah, Shanmukh wrote a very funny comment. Thanks to broadband. Mind blown. So thank you, Shanmukh. You're the winner. Our team is going to reach out to you. Thank you so much for joining in today, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. So we are going to think of multiple ways. We can make it big. A Google Meet meeting. We can give you the link. You can join the same link, and you can be all on the same link. And then I present it to everyone. So many ways we could do it. We are finding those ways. Today we had the pilot session. I hope you enjoyed it. See you tomorrow.